Welcome, my dear student. Our today's next new topic is unconstrained array types. And normally there is a question in a university paper on this unconstrained array types. Very important topic. There is a question is that what is unconstrained array types? Explain the use of these array types in details like that. There are different questions will be asked on the basis of this unconstrained array types. Now we will go through the unconstrained array types in details. Then array types we have seen for are called as a constrained array. Up till now we will see the different types of array. All these arrays are the constraint array. As the type definition, constraint index value to be within a specific range, and that each constraint array has a specific range. The VADL also allows us to define unconstrained array types, in which we just indicate these types of this index value without specifying the bounds. There is no any specification of a bound. We specify the range, we does not specify the bounds. And for that, the syntax for this unconstrained array types is in front of you. That syntax is array types definition. Array type mark range of the element subtypes indications. Here that a particular symbol, this symbol is less than greater than type symbol is given. This symbol is called as a box. This symbol is called as a box. Can be thought of the placeholder for the index range to be filled in a letter. This is the index range to be filled in a letter when the type is used. At the time of type is used, we can write some index value in terms of that particular box. For that purpose, this box is given in a constraint array. There are some examples of this unconstrained array. We will try to see that. The first example, that the type sample is an array of a natural range with certain box of integer. The type stack underscore type is array integer range with a box of integer. Subtypes stack is stack underscore type 0 to 63. The example of the object declaration using these types are variable fast underscore stack type minus 127 to 127. The stack type is defined to be an unconstrained array type that specify the index of the array as an integer type and the element type as a type integer. The stack is a subtype of the base type stack underscore subtype with a specified index constraint. And the variable declaration for fast underscore stk is defined to be the type of stack type. It also specifies an index constraint. In an unconstrained array type, when we declared an object of a certain type, we need to provide a constraint that specifies the index bound. We can do this in several ways. The one way is of provide the constraint when an object is created. For example, we have another example of that. For example, the variable short underscore sample which buffer which is between sample of 0 to 63. Now this indicates the index value for the variable of a short underscore sample BF as a natural numbers in the ascending range from 0 to 63. The another way to specify the constraint is to declare a subtypes of the unconstrained array type. The object can be created using these subtypes. For example, subtypes with a long sample range of 0 to 255 and so on. This is all about the unconstrained array, and this unconstrained array is also specify some predefined. It also predefines types. So we will go through that. Predefined array types. The VADL predefines a number of unconstrained array types in many models, and these types are sufficient to represent the data, and that different types are strings, Boolean vector, integer vector, real vector, time vector, bit vector, standard logic arrays, string and bit string literal. So we will go one by one. The first is a string. VHDL provides the predefined unconstrained array which is called as the string, and the syntax for this string is type string is array positive range with a box of characters. Now the index range for the constraint string may be either an ascending order or another descending order with any positive integer for the index bounds, but the most of the application simply use an ascending range with the starting from 1 by using certain example. That example is constant LCD underscore display underscore alien positive 20. The subtypes of LCD display string is a string of 1 to LCD display's length. Variable LCD underscore display underscore string with the other box. This is all about the strings. Another one is Boolean vector, integer vector, real vector and time vector. The VHDL also provides a predefined unconstrained type of an array of a Boolean, integer and real and time element. And the syntax for this one is the syntax for Boolean vector is type Boolean vector array with a natural number of Boolean. Type integer vector is array of a natural number with box of integer. Type real vector is array of a natural range with a box of real, and a type vector is array of a natural range of a type. These types can be used to represent the collections of data of respective element type. For example, a subtype representing a collections of a comparator threshold can be declared as subtype threshold is integer underscore vector 15 down to 0. Alternately, we can supply the constraint for a vector when object is declared, for example, variable maximum temperature, that real vector of 1 to 10. The time vector type is useful for specifying the collections of timing parameter. For example, we can declare the constant representing the individual propagation delay for each different outputs bits as follows. If suppose there are 8 different outputs, then with a certain different range. For example, there are 8 different terms, that is 0 to 7, and among that first 4 term has a different time variable, another for different time variable. Then that can be represented as with a certain example that constant TPD result time vector 0 to 3 means first for 0 to 3 has in a 100 picosecond, and another for that is 4 to 7 is of 150 picosecond. In that way we can try to define or given the some different values by using this bit vector. Okay, thank you very much. In the next video we will again try to discuss some different terms. Thank you.